Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Right now, we're just gonna get straight into it.
So what are you running right now? You said it was a
T85. And the trans shifts pretty hard in track. It feels like something's gonna break, like a mount or something. Generally, I'll put it in manual to get to the gear that I want, and then I'll slap it over in drive. The car will shift in manual mode, but it shifts higher in drive, so.
yeah.
Get over 2 lanes. Ready?
Yeah. Jeez, dude. Freaking animal. God damn. Look at this, Roy. And there she goes. Down to Z06. I'm usually away from the door. There's no break. Right. Yeah, you're gonna be in the car. Right. Holy crap, dude! My car's quiet. It looks like it's like a beast, but it's fucking
Alright guys, so if you follow me on Instagram, you know I've been without my car for a couple weeks now. Been getting some work done over with Roy at CC&C. So what am I getting done? I'm getting the stage 1 kit from CC&C, and basically what that is a cold air intake, which I already have. I have the Haltech cold air intake, so they offer that, or they offer the I think it's AFE cold air intake, the DSX flex fuel kit, and the E85 tune. And it also comes with a Bluetooth module to measure your ethanol content. Works with an app on your phone. Can't get much more easier than that. And not a lot of shops do this, but we're tuning the trans also, so that way the trans can communicate with the ECU how much power it wants. Yeah, I think that's how it works. Roy from CC&C is a super smart guy. He's been explaining everything to me, sending me so many videos, step by step of everything he's done. He's been completely 100% transparent on everything that's been going on, and I'm super excited to share everything with you guys. But yeah, so basically what the stage 1 tune does is adds about 110 horsepower to the wheels and like over 100 torque to the wheels. We're not getting it dyno tune, we're just doing straight up street tune, and right now as we speak the car is done. So I'm going to pick up the car tomorrow. I'll be having a video dropping on that very soon because I'm super excited to get my car back. I might get on the dyno whenever I get my car back just to verify the numbers, but as long as the car's performing extremely well, he's got this thing dialed in like the margins. So if you're a tuner guy, you'll understand what I'm talking about, but the margins on the tune right now, you can have plus or minus 5. They're like 0.05 of everything. So like it can't get much more perfect and much more detailed than what he's been doing with my car, and I'm extremely grateful. Man, I am so excited to get my car back. It's gonna be a ripper, boys. And we've already got some races lined up. You know I'm gonna get that rematch in with Justin. Hopefully I give him the gab sauce. That's what I'm hoping for. So I got a Vortex supercharged Mustang I'm gonna race. And then I think I also have another Vortex supercharged Mustang I'm gonna race. And then I have a NA Mustang that called me out like a few weeks ago, or maybe it was last month. And this is when I was getting ready to put my car in tune and everything. So of course I waited until I got my car back. So we should have plenty of fun racing content, just so much fun on the way. So we're going to be running an E50 mix. So it's going to be 50% E85 and 50% of 91. Basically, that's all the stock LT4 fuel system can handle. But guys, if you enjoyed today's video, the ride along with his 1000 horsepower ZL1, man, that car is crazy. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.